Molly from Space Commerce Matters. How can we enhance interactions between members of the community to face new challenges of the space industry?
Thank you, and thank you, Maxine, for inviting me to be here today. I think I'm probably going to build a lot on what David and Pierre have already said, because really we have a community here that brings us all together from the space industry, and we can meet new people, but really new challenges facing the space industry involve innovation. And one of the best ways to innovate is to bring in people who are not necessarily part of our industry. What can we do as a group, as a community of people interested in space to bring in those non-traditional users to space? Can we use space to do things like solve sustainability issues or climate change problems, or at least look at those solutions? Because while we may not be suffering from them directly in space, climate change, changes in weather patterns are definitely affecting launches. And sustainability is something we can even understand, as Steve was talking about. All the debris in low Earth orbit is just as bad as all the plastics in the ocean. So bringing in these non-traditional users to not only solve the problems, but also help fund solving these problems is really the way I see us coming together as a community and really being able to help and face these new challenges of the space industry. And I can say, obviously I'm American, and one of the things that when I worked at the ISS National Lab we did was actually get Target to sponsor $1 million challenge to help with cotton sustainability. And I think it's a great example of a way you can get non-traditional space companies to come in and sponsor programs to bring solutions to problems that maybe they're on Earth today, but in the future will help us with space, or they could help us solve space problems now because they're looking at the problem very differently.